What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I know this video has been overdue for the longest, but be sure that it's not that I don't have content. I really do, but it's just taking some time because I do have things to do, work, the kid, and I'm trying to get the car ready. But before we get into this video, let's run the intro. Let's get back to the channel. Alright, so before I get this video started, I want to shout out Macy. You remember Macy from that Max Bean Rods? Well, she hooked it up again. She's with another company called K20. Here it is. It's a nice little box, and it comes with this jewelry box right here. And in that jewelry box you can get rings, you know, like gifts for like your family, whether it be your girlfriend, your son, your daughter, your mom, your dad, whoever it is, you can get it. And be sure to save yourself with some cash by checking out with K20. You feel me? Alright guys, so I know I did make a post on YouTube in the community where I was showing you the Recaros. The Recaros are not at my house as yet. I do have the Recaros. I do own the Recaros. I just need to go pick them up and put them in the car. I do have inner and outer tower rods that I have to do, ball joint. I do have a new turbo on the way. I'm not using this turbo only because it has the adapter to run a T4, and my manifold is T3 by default, so I'd rather just run a T3. And I'm running a T3, a Pulsar GT3582. I already have the Speed Factory intercooler. You guys already know I am gonna. Alright, so the plan was to run 57 DRs. They don't have them in 16s. So now the new plan is to run RPF1 16 by 7 plus 28, or is it 16 by 8 plus 28? Or I might just go to 16 by 7 plus 35. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, the goal is to run RPF1s now. I have the red Recaros. I'm gonna get fabrication within like 2 weeks, guaranteed. I gotta hit up Jason to kind of put that in to get that booked. Once that is done, I do have a charge harness that I picked up also. It's not complete, but most of it is. And then yeah. So I'm in the TSX. I'm actually heading to Alex. We are jumping in the coupe today, so I brought the camera just so I could give you an update on my car and then see what's going to happen with the coupe. So yeah, I'm heading to Alex's house. We're going to head into the coupe, then we're going to head to the shop. I'm going to show you guys what I do at the shop, and yeah, go from there. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so I just pulled up to Alex. As you can see, I got the Audi. He got the Audi TT, the RS. Shit's dumb fast, by the way. And we got the right-hand drive Supra. We just got this car finished a couple days ago. Well, 90% finished. It is right-hand drive, and you gotta change the seats. So that's all that's really left to be done on this weekend. Here he goes, opening the garage. He doesn't even know I have the camera. He's gonna be like, yo, what the heck?
What up?
What's good, bro?
How you doing, dog?
You're just showing everybody you got money. Right-hand drive, TT,
Bro, my shit don't even
Hyundai.
fit, bro. I can't even afford the 2X, bro. What are you talking about? I don't got no money.
That's how you know you're living good, bro. You were a 2X, now you can't even fit the 2X. You living good.
This is a 1X, bro. I can't afford the 2X.
Bro. That's the super AirPods. That boy rich, dog. So we're at the shop. We're literally about to get ready to leave. All-wheel drive in the weekend. Got Alex over there, and yeah. Probably can't see it, but the car is literally right there. So we're gonna get situated, get everything going, and we're gonna give you guys a nice little pull tonight. I'm gonna see if I can get him doing a pull. Hopefully there's no cops to come and bother me like, "Yo, what are you doing here?" Damn, that was a badass pull. Look at this guy trying to race. And it's an L15 too. That shit's moving, dog.
Bro, you feel the whole car like flexing during the pool. Like in a good way, like
I'm about to say.
Not like about to crash type shit, like.
Alright, so y'all probably can't see me because it's hella dark, but we just got back to Alex's house. I'm about to head home and close this video out. I hope you guys enjoyed that pool. I mean, he did break a record for himself doing that pool, so we're both happy. Now I just got to get my shit going. You know, I got to get my car going and let's set in sometimes. I mean, there's no time to set because my shit's slow anyways. But let me get to the crib and close this video out.